Bartenders earn about $31,000 per year on average. So, what affects a bartender's salary? Location, experience, and languages spoken are the three main factors. However, many other things can influence earnings as well, such as the type of establishment the bartender works in, like a casino, hotel, or nightclub, and how popular the bar is. What does a bartender do? A bartender is someone who mixes drinks and serves them to customers in a bar or nightclub. Bartenders usually have a good knowledge of different types of alcoholic beverages and how to make cocktails. They also need to be good at customer service, as they often have to deal with complaints and requests. Bartenders may be responsible for cleaning and stocking the bar, as well as checking customers' ID to make sure customers are of legal drinking age. They may also be required to work shifts that include late nights and weekends. The job of a bartender can be exciting and challenging, as well as rewarding. It can be a great way to meet new people and make some money while enjoying a social atmosphere.